Hello everyone, Ikatekok Teso, Aanyu Catrionah. Today I'll be speaking about the 7 Iteso clans. First and foremost, the Irarak. People in this clan were responsible for providing food through hunting and gathering, highly skilled in trapping animals and sourcing wild food, which was very crucial back then in Teso. Then we have the Ikaruwok, the leaders and the warriors of Teso, the military wing, the shield and the sword. They were known to celebrate their military gains, and it was comprised of fighters, in other words warriors, clan leaders, decision makers, and so on. Then we have the Ikomolo, known for foretelling. They were known to be prophets. Another sweet fact about the Ikomolo were that they were a result of the intermarriage between the Iteso and the Luo. Next, Igoria, the builders and the craftsmen. The members in this clan really helped with growing Teso. They were known for so many things like making tools, poems, and so many other things. But their most spectacular contribution, the legendary Negro rock paintings and artistic marbles that tell stories of the ancient past. Then we have the Inomu, the medical clan. These were made up of healers that used the indigenous knowledge of plants to heal the sick, wounded warriors, and so on. Finally, we have the Iworopom, the 5th generation of the Iteso. These were intercessors and spiritual beings. They believed to be the men that walks with the Creator. The Ikaruwok would go seeking for words from them before they get to the battlefield. Yalama.